Hey, oh, Gerskkkiii in this joint. Can't nobody take my pride. Can't nobody hold me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Hey, that's that P. Diddy. That P. fell down. On the Palm Prowler, son. Palm Prowler 2. Ain't just the Palm Prowler. Palm Prowler 2. Not just the Palm Prowler. It's the Palm Prowler 2. You gotta say it like Toner though. The Palm Prowler 2. You gotta choke it real good, you know what I mean? She's in neutral. There she goes. Oh yeah, son. Oh yeah. Taking a leak, Gerskkkiii. Taking a leak. Hey, put that chub away.
Gotta get my sud vision.
Gotta get shown the
Get the sud vision.
Get the sudsy.
The feller vision.
Feather suds. You gotta name your fish before you catch them too.
My first one's gonna be Fred.
Fred? I'd say my first one's gonna be Fart, so I can talk to Fart and say, where's Fart at? And then somebody's gonna fart, go, oh, there he is.
Come on, Freddy.
Oh no, Fart, where are you at? That Chick-fil-A gonna make me fart here in a second. You gotta hang your ass out the pump, the feather prowler here.
You fall over.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. We might go hit, oh, it's a damn tree right there. Crank right up, it's warm now, baby. We're gonna hook up the 6th Sense. This thing looks real juicy. Look how juicy that looks. Ooh, Gerskkkiii, look how juicy. That's a $10 lure right there. What up, Bessie? Oh, I almost just lost it. Oh my God, damn. Oh man, that was close. That was right from the jump. Didn't even get it on yet. Did I get hooked already? Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Dude, I knew it was gonna happen.
Dude, I just got that bait. Do not tell me that. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Second cast.
It's out deep too. $10 lost like that. This is why I don't buy expensive baits. I buy one and then this happens. Oh, fishing is not cheap. Let me tell you that. I don't even want to tell you how much money I've spent in the past couple weeks.
Uncle Dan's push Derek in the water and record that. Hey Derek.
What?
How many lures have you lost today?
How many is that? 1 or 2? You ain't lost nothing, have you? You gotta pull that sock off your chub. You better hurry, we're gonna hit the shore. All right, I'm turning. Now, hurry up, Biss. Go, 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 go. There, go. There, look.
I just started. I think I just started.
Whoa.
I think I just started.
You did?
So.
You did? Oh my God. You're the Shard King, dude. You did? Is it bad?
Oh.
Oh. Hey, you shard yourself?
Yeah.
You got shit on your hand? Oh, that's so nasty. You're so nasty. Is it bad?
Yeah.
How much poop you got in there?
We're going over here. I'm about to use this towel.
How much poop you got in there?
A lot.
In your pants? You got? How did that happen? How did that happen?
Pick up your motor.
I already got it up. Hey, there's a marina you can go to. Go to the bathroom. Go to the marina.
I got a towel.
You got a towel? You got a towel? Dude, how come every time we hang out, you crap your pants? dude, every time. Dude, stop crapping your pants. Fart every time and shit your pants. Look at this guy.
Oh my God.
Dude, how much poop is there? I can't stop laughing. Who carries a towel with them? Because you crap your pants so much you gotta carry a towel with you. Oh my God. Oh, so y'all, we just had to pull off to the side of the shore. I can't look that way because Gerskkkiii's wiping his butt with a towel, but he's got poop all in his pants. He farted and it went rolling down. It's a landslide from downhill. Oh man. Oh my God. You are so special, bro. You are so special. You're getting rid of the underwear? Is that bad? Oh my God. Oh my God. He's got to throw the underwear away. He's got to throw the underwear away, y'all. Oh my God. You're gonna have to ditch the towel too? You have to throw them away? Oh my God. Dude, every time you fart, you crap your pants. So you just had shard in there. Did the shard get in between your butt cheeks? Well, do you feel any mushiness? It's cold? Ain't nothing like shitting your pants out here when it's 30 degrees outside. Yeah.
Check my ass one more time.
Dude, leave him there. Just leave him there. Just leave him there. Leave him.
This is our land.
Shit feller, shit island. Oh man, look at the turd on there. Look at the turd on there.
Oh my gosh, dude. We're having such a good time.
Until you farted. God, you're fat. The fellers always prevail. You gotta learn how to control those farts.
Bro, I was just pissing.
You were peeing? Hold on. Yeah, you were peeing.
And I was pissing over the...
And you and then you farted, or you just peed and came out your ass? I don't understand.
I was peeing and then farted.
And then
Yeah.
came or what?
Like a bubble.
A bubble?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, I gotta switch batteries. That was enough for that one. All right, we're back in live effect after poop scooting boogie.
Shark Nation.
Shark Nation.
There's no Shark Nation or Shark Week. It's Shark Week.
Yeah, it's Shark Week. All right, let's get over that damn bank. Hit that 50 thrust. Hit that 50 thrust. Yeah. You're not even polluting really, because you're dropping back in, so it's like fertilizing. You're fertilizing the earth. I mean, I don't know if your boxers are biodegradable, but all right, I'm getting a dang fish in here. All right, this is gonna catch fish. This is gonna catch fish right here. Dude, you should definitely bring extra underwear. Anytime we're you should just keep a pair in your back pocket.
The fold-up wallet kind.
Dude. Oh, that was a launch cast. There he is. Is that fish or? Yeah, I got one. Oh, he's nice. He's nice. Net. Yeah, just in case. Oh yeah, hurry. Oh, he's running. Woo, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, Gerskkkiii.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey, Toner, that's how you use it.
Hey, look, another pound.
Toner,
That's how you use a net right there. Oh yeah, there we go.
Woo. Look at that bad boy.
I'm trying not to get that hook in me. I know. There he goes. There we go.
All right, baby.
Yeah. Look, that's a nice fish. He's chunky monkey.
Yeah, look at that big boy.
He's about he's about 1.5 pounds, close to 2 pounds. That's a nice fish right there, y'all. Hey, fishing with feller. Oh yeah. Hey, no skunk today, baby. Good job driving, Gerskkkiii. Hey, you knew what gave us the funk?
The shark.
The shark.
We found fart because of the shark.
We found fart fish because of the shark. You are exactly right. Woo! All right, let's let him back. Let's let him back, y'all.
See you, bro.
Oh yeah. You want to get a picture?
Nah.
Okay, nah, we got plenty of. All right, ready? That's a nice fish, man. Woo! No skunk, baby. No skunk. Hey, Toner, if you're watching this video, watch that video, that part over and over, because that's how you net a fish right there. That's how you net a fish. See, fellers, real fellers know how to net fish. Got the clutch driver, clutch netter. Toner's gone. Toner's gone.
You're done, Toner.
You're done, Toner. Oh, there's a turtle up on the shore. A big old one.
Oh.
How much you want to make a bet?
Let's do it. Oh. Who hits the turtle first?
Who hits the...
Turtle's all low. We're getting it.
$5 bet?
First one to hit the turtle.
Oh.
Wow, that was way off. We're about to lose a lure just because.
Here we go. Oh, I hit him. I hit him. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
You're like right behind
Dude,
him.
I touched him first. I touched him. Oh! Oh!
All right.
I won that. I won that.
We got one up there too.
Where's the next one?
Oh, he just fell in the water. See, we improvise when we don't catch fish.
Like, oh, we're not catching fish. Hey, can you hit that turtle? Hey, make some bets.
Who's the first gonna hit the turtle? Give me a roll.
Oh, nice fish. No, yeah, he's a sand bass. Woo, that's what I'm talking about, Gerskkkiii. Woo, let me get my line in. Yeah, buddy. That's a big old sand bass right there. They're sharp, yeah, they're sharp. Here, let me. Here, you drive, I'll get them off for you.
Yeah, get you some.
Hey, Gerskkkiii with the catch on the spinner bait, baby. Woo, that's a sand bass right there. That's a nice little fish. All right, let's see if we can get us another one.
Yeah.
Hey, no skunk for us today, baby.
No
Hey,
skunk.
what was it earlier? The shark?
The Freddy.
The
I got Freddy.
That's Freddy right there. Yeah, that's Freddy.
You got some gills.
Hey,
Freddy.
hey, old Freddy. All right, here we go. All right, let's get another one. Woo! Sound like you see the motor crank now? We're almost out of gas, dude. Oh, we gotta go back. I don't have a gas can on me, Gerskkkiii. Oh, damn, we are out of gas. That's why it's not starting up. Oh, she just died. Troll the motor. Troll it in.
With Fowler.
Oh yeah, we're out of gas. Troll it in. Well, y'all, we just ran out of gas, and I didn't bring a gas tank.
Not only did I start.
I think just go up there, and then we'll talk to somebody up in the marina. Yeah, there's somebody's got to have gas. We have no gas. All right, we have no gas. Our trolling motor's about to die.
I sharted.
You started your pants, but we caught two fish. He caught a sand bass and I caught a nice bass, largemouth. We see a gas tank. We see gas, y'all.
We're gonna spend about $8 a gallon.
Dude, I know. It's probably like $20 a gallon here.
I'm telling you.
Huh?
When we did
Are
the
you
jet
serious?
skis, it's like
oh
$8
my
a
God,
gallon.
are you serious? Well, this is a small tank. It's like 1 gallon, so.
Yeah, this is better than nothing.
Yeah, it's better than
We're
nothing.
gonna get the.
How you doing? You work here? You work here? Yeah. Oh, we ran out of gas.
Ran out of gas?
Yeah, can we get some gas?
Oh man, they're closed. We don't have no gas.
No.
Really?
Yep. So you gotta turn the motor out of the way.
Yeah, but it's dead. It's dying. It's dead. I figured you were. I figured you were.
Oh my goodness.
Where y'all lunch at?
Morel Park, right on the other side over there.
Good thing I can carry and walk over there.
We'll just pick this bitch up and go.
Okay. What's up, man? I had to get a little gallon of gas out there.
Y'all are crazy for fishing in this weather.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, $1.67.
You take credit card or cash or?
Credit card preferably. 'Cause
Okay.
We don't have change right now.
That's fine. Okay. Yeah, it is freezing out there.
Yeah, it is.
It's cold. Barely feel my toes.
Yeah. Too cold for me. What's the temperature out there?
I don't know. I just know it's cold.
Yeah. Would you like a copy of your receipt?
Nah, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
Stay warm out there.
Yeah, man.
We don't know.